Hi, good afternoon. I am Saurabh and I look after the place. This place called Kana Jungle Camp, which is in the Kana National Park. And the nearest airport from here is Raipur Airport. Second is Jabalpur and third is Nagpur. But the nearest connectivity from here will be the Raipur Airport. If I talk about the property, this is about 27 acres big in size. Total 16 cottages, out of which 4 is elevated, 4 is semi-elevated and 8 are ground. All are luxury animated animations are there in cottages. The uniqueness about the property is about vegetation, what we have as you can see, and about 40,000 plus saplings in our place. The birding is excellent, about 90 plus species of birds around the year in our property you could see. Apart from that, we have maintained a small butterfly garden. You could see our reception and lounge area. Downstairs we have a swimming pool and that side is spa. The rooms are scattered and spread around in the property.
What is the area?
About 27 acres
27
land
acres.
size. And we have only 16 rooms which is spread just to give the individual feel of jungle, the guests those who are living in.
And what is the main peak season of yours?
So the season starts from October and goes up to 30th June, but we are still remains open during those off season, which is July, August and September, because our nearest buffer zone, which is Khapa, that remains open during the monsoon also. So we have the weekend clients coming from Raipur, Nagpur, Bombay, Pune, Hyderabad. So these clients, they still comes even during the monsoon. So now this property is so green, during the monsoon it becomes lush green. So that is also a good time to visit the property.
So what is your package you have? Including breakfast, including safari you have? How is it?
Our starting rack rate starts from around 16,000 rupees plus taxes for 2%. That includes breakfast, lunch and dinner. And then when the category goes up, the prices also hikes accordingly.
So does it include safari or without safari?
This is without safari.
So
Safaris are also depends on the availability, which is the online portal by the Forest Department. So for the safari, one has to contact us in well advance. So say about 2-3 months in advance, people have to plan their core area safaris.
And what all you provide? When it comes to safari jeep,
So right from your jeep, just in case if someone books a naturalist, so we have 3 naturalists in our property. When they go with you, they explain you about flora, fauna, vegetation, about the park, about the mammals. They track tiger for you and then they explain about the Kana National Park.
how about what is the timing of safaris?
So morning it starts by changes as per the season. If it is winter, it can be a late entry. But at present, since it is summer, so 5:30 is our entry. For that, we have to leave a lodge by 5 o'clock in morning, and you'll be back around 11:30, 11:40 from the forest. And for the afternoon safari, it is again 3:30 in afternoon, and you'll be back around 7 o'clock from the forest.
How many zones are there in this?
So we have 4 major core zone, which is Mukki, Kana, Kisli and Sarai.
And I heard about night safari.
Night safari is a very good experience. If someone have never done a night safari, it's worth experience to do a night safari. Go into the forest, see the forest during the night time, and yeah, it's a good experience to be in a night safari.
Last night we experienced this traditional dance. Can you share something about
So
it?
basically, this area, Kana National Park, has the tribal community living since ages. So majorly they are Gond and Baiga tribes, those who lives in the vicinity of Kana. So the dance performance which you saw yesterday, they were from the Baiga tribes. So that dance performance, the tribal culture, we call a Baiga dance.
Okay. And what all you provide for breakfast, lunch and dinner?
Since you have already experienced, I am sure you like the morning breakfast what we give. So first of all, we are the plastic free lodge. So no plastics goes in the forest. So everything is bottled in the glass bottle. Many other varieties, right from the muffin, cookies, sandwiches, rolls, parathas. Then if we talk about some sediments, cookies are there. So many
You
other
had even eggs actually.
eggs also.
Yeah.
Yes,
Those-
boiled
those,
eggs.
yeah.
Someone wants some omelets or maybe egg rolls or something, we do prepare that.
You had even provided juices, tea,
Juices,
coffee.
yeah, thank you so
It
much.
was very
Setup of tea,
amazing
coffee.
setup.
Thank you.
I had my sister come in and she really loved it. The way the entire team did a presentation was excellent. and we'll come back and we'll visit this place.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Sir.
you.
Please
Thank you.
spread the word of mouth to your family and friends.
Yeah, I'm going to upload this on my YouTube channel.
Also nice.
YouTube channel name is Suresh P. Jumani,
Thank you.
and I'll share you the link. You can share me your name and number.
Sure.
I'll send you the link.
Sure. Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for visiting us.
The entire map, 4 zones, which has been set by sir.
बीच में एक दो जगह कट करके डालेगा सर.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Chaitali. I'm a naturalist of Kana Jungle Camp. So we take the guests for walk in morning and afternoon. Even we showed bird. We talk about vegetations, everything. Even if the guest if ask any if they have queries, we give answers.
I have a query.
Yeah.
I want to see Balu. I could not see Balu.
For that you need to stay here for 1 month. So definitely.
1
you can
month.
see.
That's
Because,
too long.
South bear sightings are quite rare here, but you can see in summertime sightings are very good.
Yeah, summertime. Okay.
So please visit.
Yeah, definitely.
हेलो
आप क्या हैंडल करते हो?
मैं अकाउंट्स देखता हूँ
Good, nice. And I remember you saying about Instagram. You handle Instagram handle. Yeah.
यस
So what is the page name?
अतुल सोल यू आर पेज
नहीं the
Kana Jungle.
Kana.
काना जंगल कैंप
Okay, fine. We'll follow up on this. Yeah.
थैंक यू